Everybody, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the MBTA green light diecast. It just came today, or yesterday, I don't know, whatever you call it. I ordered 2-pack of them. They're diecast. Here they are. It's 1 a.m. already. It's 1:15. Better go to bed soon. Sorry to spend a lot of time in Tarrytown. But here they are. Here's the green light MBTA Boston Trolley diecast. Let's open it up. I brought it to, you know why? I purchased 2 because it connects together, just like the real one. Let's open the box. Let's start with this one. This is the MBTA green light trolley diecast. Here's the first car. The door's not open, just like this is a trolley tram or something. Alright, now for the second one. Alright, let's open the tram, the trolley. Alright, here's the second rail car. This will be for the back as well. Now watch this. I don't know if it connects here. Oh, you have to use like this and then this part. Let's see how it works. I don't know if it will connect both. Almost there. Right, I think I got this. Let's try this side. I don't know if it connects both, but I'm trying to find it. I don't think it doesn't connect, just like... Oh wow, it doesn't connect it. Just like the real trains. Alright, here's what it looks like. This looks nice. Fortunately, it doesn't connect it, but you could pretend only, just like this. Focus. Focus. There we go. Here's the MBTA green line trolley. This trolley could be the B, C, D, or E. Also, the only discontinued letter is the A, the letter A branch to Watertown. But the A branch got discontinued. They only run B, C, D, and E on green line branches. Alright everybody. I hope you like this unboxing video of the MBTA green line. Let me wipe my lens. Alright everybody, here's the green line. This is very nice. This toy was released in 2012 right here. I think this toy was released in 2012, just like Dite. This trolley looks nice. Look at. Hey, Ping Pong, what do you think about the trolley? It's nice, I love it. Yeah, trolley looks nice. Right, Elinor? Yes. Fluttershy, yes. Very Rarity, yes. Rainbow Dash, yeah. Alright, this is the one. Here's the front, the rear, there's the back also. This trim does articulate. This is articulated. Boston. I think this is type 7 or 6 or type 8 or something. Those rail cars just like the real ones. Alright, hope you like this video. So, that's it. Everybody, this is what it looks like in the box of the MBTA Green Line tram. Alright, let's take a picture. You know, we'll take a picture like this. That'll be perfect. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's use like a tripod. Let's see if it works with this. Sorry about that. It's just a little sorry, I'm not telling, but here's the train. You know what? We'll do like this instead. Ooh, here's the front. I don't know if it will work with it. Alright. Sorry. Focus. Focus. There we go. Alright. That's it. Hope you like it. Let's do with the ponies. I think we're only going to use Twilight Sparkle. But actually, let's do Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, and Twilight. Actually, we'll choose Twilight Sparkle. Actually, we'll do Pinkie Pie. Alright. Here we go. Let's do Pinkie Pie. Goes back on the green line.
Oh no, I'm waiting for the train to come. Waiting for the D branch to Riverside. But I'm going to Union Square. Oh, it's coming.
Ding, 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 ding. The destination of this train is Union Square. Next stop, Park Street. Doors will open on the right side of the train. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, everybody. Hope you like this story of the Pinkie Pie goes right on the MBTA Green Line. So, that's it. Bye.
I'm Pinkalicious.
You're not Pinkalicious, but that's it.